Hopefully there's more than just those two. Yep. Yep, there's another one. This one feels a little bit bigger. It's got some weird head shakes though. Alright guys, welcome back to another video. We are back down here at the river. Hopefully we can get on some fish. Stay tuned guys, let's see what happens. Alright, down here at the river. It's looking a little low, but it is what it is. Hopefully there might just be some fish biting still. Kind of hoping we could find like some smallmouth or something maybe hiding along the bank here in the rocks. Oh man, thought I had a bite for a second. Ooh, got one. It's another one, another white bass. Pretty sure that's a white bass. It's kind of shaped like one. Alright guys, fish number 2. We've only been here for about 10-15 minutes maybe. They like to stop and go. I let it just drift down that little current there with the rocks and everything, and it just starts happening. Hopefully there's more than just those two. Yep. Yep, there's another one. This one feels a little bit bigger. It's got some weird head shakes though. That almost don't even feel like a wiper. Oh. Dang it. How'd that come off? Man, that sucks. That did not feel like a wiper. It almost kind of felt like a channel cat. Hopefully you guys can hear me okay. Lost my microphone cover last night. Well, that's gonna be sad if it was only those 3 fish and I messed my chance up on that one. Alright, let's go ahead and go down to the next spot. I'm sure there's more fish here, but they just aren't wanting to cooperate. Got one. What do we got? Oh, there we go. Well, this one almost looks like a yellow bass. All right, fish number 3. There's another one. Oh yeah. I'm just gonna horse them in because I've been losing too many fish. Come on, bud. Come on. Oh, quickly. All right, fish number 4. They're just chilling right there in front of that bridge. See if we can get another one. feel like something is definitely hitting it. Maybe some little bluegill or some tiny white bass or yellow bass, whatever, over there. All right, one more cast and then we're out. All right, got our leader ready, got our net ready. Now we just need a big hybrid. All right. Hopefully we can get something on this. Oh, got one. Got one, baby. All right. Get off the wall. Get our net. Ooh, come on. Got it. Alrighty. There we go. Almost need a longer net though, jeez. Mosquitoes are bad. All right, guys. There we go. First fish of the day. Nice hybrid. Put up a good fight. Didn't lose him. Something's going crazy out there. All right, buddy. Goodbye. All right, guys. That's gonna wrap this one up. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Beat the skunk, got 5 fish in about an hour, I'd say, so not too bad. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that like button down below, consider subscribing, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.